guys, I am Jasmine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a special guest, which is my homegirl
Alexia, aka Lexi.
So yes, I do have Lexi here today. We did these twist outs for you guys. I did a bantu, well, I attempted to do bantu knots and she did a twist out. So this is our results. If you want to continue, well, if you want to see how we got these looks, just keep on watching. Let's get into the video. So today we're going to do a twist out. This is my first time actually doing a twist out on my natural hair. You guys know that I do not wear my natural hair at all. So
I don't know why.
I know because my hair is long. My hair is actually very long. I ain't gonna say very, but it's her hair.
Would you
say very?
Really, yes. Her hair is quite long. It's past the average.
Yeah.
For a
African American
color
black
for a color one.
Black girl with all this black magic.
You ain't black. Black is a color.
Brown.
Yes.
All right. So brown is a color.
Mm-hmm. But you are brown.
Girl, I'm gonna try to do bantu knots, I guess. Try. Yeah,
you're gonna do a good job.
So, the products that we are using in this video: the Beautiful Goddess Essentials, the Natty Twisting Butter, and the Good Is Growing Hair Oil, hair growth oil. So we both have been using this for about, I think you would say what, you've been doing about 3 months, 4 months?
Yeah.
And I've been using it for about 5 months. So I have seen approximately like 4 to 5 inches worth of growth in my hair. My hair was a bit damaged when I first started using it, so it did repair all my damages. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, repair all my damages to my hair, and then my hair started growing. So, yeah, so we're gonna get started. Hey guys, it's Jasmine here. So Alexia and I decided to do 2 separate little mini tutorials in one video for you. So you won't hear us talking. You can just follow along with what we're doing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and spam the comments with Natural Hair Club.
Oh, this finna come out. You feel me? This look like a twist right here. I don't even want to separate it.
Finally. So yeah, this is our results. So yeah, this is my first twist out. Let us know in the comments how we did, how I did, which one you like better. They both popping. So we did use the Good is Grown hair growth oil, of course, and the Natty Twist and Butter. I'm sorry my camera won't focus, but I will have the link down in the description box. Y'all, let me tell y'all about this product.
A1.
It's a must.
A1, I'm telling you. Honestly, okay, so I think what I liked about it most is the moisture. It really moisturizes your hair. Like, you won't have to use it again for the rest of the week. Literally just wet your hair and do your little night routine or whatever you do, but I'm never using anything else. Yeah. And the growth oil, I mean, you can't ask for anything better. It smells good, feels good, it's good for you, it's all natural, and plus it grows your hair.
Right.
Like,
exactly. And then on top of that, we actually didn't have to use as much as we did.
Yeah, we
little
really
goes a long way. So you can get this jar and literally, depending on how often you twist your hair, you probably will only have to use this once a week.
Once a week.
Cause it's really like
seriously.
Yeah, it moisturizes. So I hope you liked it. If you want to see more videos with me and Alexia, spam the comments. Follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram is
Denim Booties. DENIM BOOTYS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We love you guys, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Yay!